SeaWorld Orlando just launched a brand new experience, Expedition Odyssey Fire Ice, and I had to go check it out for myself. From the line to the pre-show to the ride itself, I recorded the whole journey, and trust me, this one had some surprises. Stick around till the end because I will be telling you exactly what I thought after I got home.
There is one thing data cannot replicate: the human connection with nature. Researchers exploring the wonders of these creatures, some on land, some by sea, and some on But before the real fun begins, please bear with me as we watch the mandatory pre-flight safety video. And on behalf of all of us at Aris and Miller Flight Station, thank you.
Prepare to board the EOS Warthog Dr. Drone. When the doors open in front of you, please make your way to the loading area.
It's Dr. Caldwell. Sorry I couldn't be there to see you off. I'm in the field today helping track a pod of belugas. Now, once you're clear for launch, the lights will go out as we transfer power from the facility to your craft. And the pilot will spark up the engines and do a final systems check, and then you'll be on your way. Now, remember, what awaits you today isn't just a flight path. It's a passage through a living system. Have a great expedition. Hope to see you out here in the field.
Auxiliary power activated. Welcome aboard rotor 9052. This is your captain speaking. Set vision deck to pilot position. Prepare for a blackout as we divert power to the EOX-4 and fire up the engines.
Wouldn't it be cool for
Okay, prop alpha and Bravo engaged. Tower, we have information Juliet and are ready for departure heading 270. Tower 4, prepare to spool up Charlie and Delta. All right, motor start complete. Set vision deck to launch position.
That'd be funny if you just
952, clear for remote launch. Power transfer achieved. Docking ring detached. We are cleared for takeoff.
So guys, it's been a couple days since I've recorded those clips. My first thing I'm going to say is Expedition Odyssey Fire Ice is 10 times better than the original version of Expedition Odyssey, honestly. I feel like this is how it should have been when it opened. Like the queue actually was like almost on Disney level compared to what it was before. Before, I'm not sure if you remember from my previous footage or if you've been on it yourself. The queue was literally like no demon in there. They have like nothing in there whatsoever. And now there actually has like a demon, like you're going into a drone type thing. Yes, the graphics are still blurry, but I think it's part about the story that they're trying to tell from riding it, honestly. The story of this ride is you're going inside a drone to fly it and see the fire and ice, pretty much. There's not that many fire scenes, there's more ice scenes, but I still thought it was a very good upgrade. Like the sprays works good. The graphics, I think personally looks a little better. I know some sections are blurry, but I think it's because of the storytelling aspect and how the intro is for the ride itself. It shows the screen with the countdown of you getting ready to fly the drone, or you inside the drone flying. I just find the story of this version is a lot better, honestly. It's a massive upgrade. It's a lot better than the original version of Expedition Odyssey. It could compete actually with the soaring across around the world. It could compete with that. It's not better than soaring around America. It's not better than soaring around America or Flight Passage, but it actually could compete with the soaring around the world. It's better than soaring around the world, in my opinion, but that may be a hot take. Honestly, I just really enjoyed this massive upgrade for this section. I think it's probably one of the best things SeaWorld could have done, or they should took their time a little bit longer when they made the ride last year and made it like this to begin with, honestly. And you guys know from my videos last year, I was very vocal about how much I disapproved that attraction. Now I highly approve it. It's actually better than what I thought it was gonna be. When I found out SeaWorld was redoing it, I was like, oh, okay, they're just gonna make a worse, they're gonna have bad demon and just try and somehow make the ride worse. But it actually was a massive upgrade. So shout out to SeaWorld actually for doing a good job with that. And the other thing I was gonna tell you about the SeaQuest, their Vekoma suspended dark ride. I didn't get any footage of it, but the building's fully erect, but I'm not sure when the ride's gonna be ready. It's a SeaQuest coming on this, we're just next to the Wild Oasis section, or not Wild Oasis, the Wild Arctic section. I said like SeaQuest coming. It doesn't say a year, date. Originally it was supposed to open this spring, but it's obviously past spring right now. But I really enjoyed this version of the Expedition Odyssey Fire Ice. Like I said, the demon's actually kind of good. It doesn't seem like a SeaWorld made the ride itself, honestly. I feel like it's actually made by like a Disney or Universal, but it's not as good as Universal Disney though. But for SeaWorld, the demon's actually very good for the ride. Normally SeaWorld, when they make a ride, they just go all out for like making the best roller coaster, don't give any themes to it or anything. Like they'll name it a theme, but they don't actually, they go out and make the theme on there. Look at the, what's it called, the icebreaker. There's like no theme to it. You just go back, forth, back, forth. There's like no like section. If it was up to me, I'd like make a section that you go through ice and try to break it. That's what I would have done with the theme for the icebreaker. Pipeline, I think that was actually one of the better SeaWorld theme ones, and same with Penguin Track. Those were the better SeaWorld theme ones. But honestly, this is a massive W for SeaWorld. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to Theme Park Man if you want more theme park content. I'll probably be taking next week off from making any videos just because I haven't had time to really relax, honestly. But see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Peace out.